Hi, this is Jeline from the Honors Tutorial. Our topic for today is about standard form of a circle. This is for pre-calculus for Mathematics 11. So we have here the standard form of a circle, and that is in this form. The quantity of x minus h squared plus the quantity of y minus k squared is equal to r squared. We have here example number 1. So we have here the center having the coordinates of 0 and 0. And we have here r, which is for the radius, which is equal to 3. So let's solve. Let me just write solution here. So this is solution. Remember, your x will be your h, your y will be your k. Now let's copy the formula. So we have here the quantity of x minus h squared plus the quantity of y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Let's substitute the values that we have here. For x, we don't have any, so we will be writing x here. Minus h is 0, so 0 squared. Plus the quantity of y, we don't have any value for y here, so we will just copy y. Minus k is 0. Raised to 2 equals r. Your r here is the radius, which is equal to 3. So we have here 3 raised to 2, or 3 squared. Let's simplify first. X minus 0 is x still, so we have here x raised to 2. Plus the quantity of y minus 0 raised to 2. So y minus 0 is still y. So we have here y raised to 2 is equal to 3 raised to 2, that is equal to 9. It is because 3 raised to 2 is equal to 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. Why is it 3 times 3? It is because your exponent here is telling your base how many times are you going to multiply the base to itself, and that is twice. Please do not multiply 3 and 2 directly, or else your answer will be incorrect. So let's simplify. So we have here x raised to 2, that is x squared. Why x squared? Because we have here invisible exponent for x, that is 1. It is because when your exponent in your variable is 1, it should be an invisible number. So we don't write it, but it is there. And if you have one exponent inside the parentheses and the other one is outside the parentheses, then you have to multiply them. That's why your exponent here is 2. So plus y squared is y squared still, because just like x, for y we have here invisible 1. And then since our exponent is inside the parentheses and placed outside the parentheses, we have to multiply the exponents. So 1 times 2 is 2. So that's why it is x squared. And then copy 9. And that's it. This is the standard form of a circle having the center of 0 and 0 as the coordinates and the radius of 3. Next. Example number 2, we have here the center having the coordinates of -2 and 7 and the radius of 2. So let's have our solution here. Let's write solution. And then let's copy the formula first. So we have here the quantity of x minus h raised to 2 plus the quantity of y minus k raised to 2 is equal to r squared. Now let's substitute the values that we have here. Remember, -2 is h, 7 is your k. So let's continue. We don't have the value for x, so just copy x and then minus the value of h. For h, we will include its sign, so therefore it is negative 2 raised to 2. Plus, for y, we don't have the value for y, so copy y minus k. That's 7. Equals, don't forget exponent 2 here, equals r. R is 2 raised to 2. Now let's solve. So we have here the quantity of x, and then as you can see here, we have here negative times negative, that's positive. So plus 2 raised to 2. Plus, just copy y, the quantity of y minus 7 squared equals 2 raised to 2, that is 4. So we will not be proceeding in answering this. It is because it is already in its standard form. If we continue solving for this, then it will turn out to be the general form of a circle. Next, another example. The center here, for example, number 3 is 5 and negative 1. And we have here the radius of square root of 2. Don't worry, don't be bothered with the radical symbol. Um, let's just write the word solution and then copy the formula, that is the quantity of x minus h squared plus the quantity of y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Remember, 5 is your h, negative 1 is your k. For x, let's substitute now. We don't have the value for x, so copy x minus the value of h, that is 5 raised to 2, plus y minus the value of k, that's negative 1. So negative 1 raised to 2 equals r squared. R is square root of 2 raised to 2. So continue solving. Just copy the quantity of x minus 5 squared plus the quantity of y. You have here negative times negative, so it will become positive. So plus 1 squared equals, for this part, we have here radical symbol. Our index here is 2. It is there, but it is not written. It is because the index is 2. So if your index is 2 and the exponent outside the parenthesis is 2, you can just simply cancel this out and the answer is 2. So this is the standard form of the center of a circle having the center of 5 and negative 1 for the coordinates and the radius of square root of 2. So the standard form is the quantity of x minus 5 squared plus the quantity of y plus 1 squared equals 2. If you have further questions, clarifications, or inquiries about the topic, kindly message our FB page, The Honors Tutorial. Thank you and God bless.